Guys, we received this fast push game pop Fidget from Cream Kids store. So let's test and try and see how this works. So this one is a fast push bubble game with a handheld puzzle game sensory toy. So this toy is good for 3 to 12 years old, but I think adult can also play just to pay, you know, enjoy the time. So here this looks, this requires the battery, and it's a simple like push thing to get this push up. So when you press this button, this pop-up come back again. So let's put in the batteries. So they requires three batteries here, which is not included in the box, so you have to put it additionally. This on and off button, this will start the mode, the volume, everything you can control. There are different type of games and different type of mode, so it's easy to handle and capture, and it's a rich music, 1.5 AAA batteries, adjustment of different modes, and also like is good, to play and passing the time. So total there are four game modes: ergonomic grip, music, and your style. So I'm just trying to play some games. This light will come and you have to just pop this up. You can just press the back push button and this will come back again. Different levels and the different things to play. So let's the kids play this one. So they enjoy playing it. It's a really good thing for them, and it's a fun game. It's a small thing, but it's a fun game with the FitCat as well as with the music and things. So it's really fun for the kids and very nice toy to have. So kids are having fun with this, and hope you also have fun with this game.